Probably the greatest innovation in orthopedic surgery in this century is total joint replacement. This is basically taking a joint that's completely worn out through wear and tear and putting metal parts and restoring function and giving the patient a condition where they have no pain and are able to go through their lives without problems. Foot and ankle surgery has developed an ankle replacement system that is now lasting as long as total knee replacements, and this is a great accomplishment. This allows us to take patients who have completely worn out ankle joints, put in metal parts, and actually restore complete function with dramatic pain relief and still have motion to basically walk normally afterwards. We're able to actually give the patient a good functional foot with no pain.